Good morning, students. Myself Pankaj Desai. After so much long time, we are meeting. In the last videos, we have seen about fibers, different kinds of fibers, different kinds of sources from which we can get fibers, and for making clothes. Our chapter number 3, fiber to fabric. Today we are going to discuss about yarns and how these yarns are prepared. For that we will show one activity. In this activity we will see that how yarns are prepared. So what you have to do that, hold some cotton wool in your hand and pinch some cotton between your thumb and forefinger of other hand. What you have to do that, pinch the cotton wool in one hand and other hand of the forefinger, by using two hands. Now gently start pulling out some cotton. What you have to do that, you have to pull that cotton wool continuously, but remain one thing, you have to continuously twisting, you have to twist it. While you are pulling this cotton wool, you have to twist it continuously, and finally it becomes thread like structure, and this is called yarn. In factories, this cotton, these yarns are prepared by using machineries, and these yarns are very much tiny, very much thinner. These like yarns can be prepared. And we all know that we have discussed something about spinning in the last videos. Spinning is the name of the process. This is kind of process in which yarns are prepared, yarns are formed by using fibers, and this process is known as spinning. In this process, the fibers from the mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. Whatever activity we have done right now, in that activity we have done by using our hands. In the machineries, in the factories, they use machineries to prepare the yarns by using cotton wool. Cotton wool is drawn out. Actually what happened, in the flower of cotton, seed is also present in that flower. So we have to separate them perfectly, cotton wool and seeds. Now the cotton wools are drawn out and twisted like a thread so that yarns can be prepared. This brings the fibers together to form yarn. These very much thin fibers brings together, twisted together, and this made yarns. This whole process known as spinning process. So I think, is this clear? Spinning is the process in which we have to prepare yarn by using the fibers of cotton. So let us discuss about how spinning is done. A simple device used for spinning is a hand spindle. Spindle is a kind of metallic rod, very much thin rod, having one end with the shape of hook. So another hand operated device for spinning is charkha. You all know about charkha. Mahatma Gandhi very much encouraged the peoples about using charkha. Spinning of yarn on large scale is done with the help of spinning machines. Nowadays, spinning machines are used for making yarns from the cotton wool. After spinning, yarns are used for making fabrics. Now these yarns are usable for making fabrics. Our clothes are made up of yarns, and these yarns are woven in between each other so that the fabrics can be prepared, and from these fabrics we can avail with the clothes. Garments can be prepared. So this is the basic process known as the spinning. You have to learn this, you have to remind this word spinning. Spinning is the process for making yarn from the cotton fibers. So let us discuss about history about spinning. very much interesting incidents happens, okay, regarding the spinning in our modern history. Okay, the hand operated device used for spinning is charkha, and I think all of you have seen the image of charkha. Use of charkha was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi as a part of the independent movement. Okay, so this charkha is also the major role, okay, for independent movement. He encouraged people to wear made of handspun yarn termed as khadi. Okay, handspun yarn termed as khadi. The cloth prepared by using the handspun yarn, okay, known to be as a khadi. Okay, and nowadays khadi is also available in the market, made up of handspun yarn. And shan, okay, shan is also imported cloth made in the mills of Britain. Okay, so khadi is the basic material which can be prepared by using the charkha. Okay, so this is very much important. To popularize and promote khadi, the government of India constituted a body called Khadi and Village Industries Commission 1956. So this line you have to remind for 1 marks questions for the exam. Okay, you have to learn this name, Khadi and Village Industries Commission in 1956. Okay, this body has introduced by government of India. Okay, so that khadi can be promoted, khadi can be used by Indian peoples. Okay, not use of Britain's imported clothes. Okay, so this much we have discussed today about the basics of spinning, how spinning is done, and how spinning is used, okay, for making clothes of yarn. Okay, so if you want to get more regarding this topic, you can avail with the Diksha app. You can search youtube.com, okay, how it's made cotton fiber spinning. If you type this keyword in the YouTube, you can get very much videos in which spinning process can be seen. Okay, you can download the Extra Marks app. Okay, so up to this,